Hi everyone, welcome to Learn to Spark. In this video, I am going to explain the laws of reflection in a very quick and easy way. From this video, you'll be able to clear your concepts about the various terms related to the laws of reflection, along with definitions and explanations in just 5 minutes. So just watch it till the end attentively without skipping the video to clear your concepts and remember forever. Furthermore, don't forget to subscribe, Learn to Spark, and press the bell icon for notifications.
Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome back, guys. Let's begin with the basics of reflection. Now, what is reflection? It is the return of light into the same medium after striking a surface. Light rays basically follows two laws of reflection. But before discussing the laws, let's comprehend the basic terms related to the reflection. To clear our concepts, let's draw a plane mirror which is a smooth reflecting surface. So, the light rays will follow the regular reflection. Let's draw a bulb as a source of light, from which a ray of light is coming out and hitting the mirror as incident ray. Incident ray is the light ray striking a reflecting surface from an optical medium. If the incident ray is hitting the reflecting surface at a point A, then A is the point of incidence. It is the point at which the incident ray strikes the reflecting surface. Now, due to regular reflection, a ray of light will bounce off the mirror surface from the point A into the same optical medium in which the incident ray was traveling. This ray is called reflected ray. So by definition, it is the light ray obtained after reflection from the reflecting surface in the same medium in which the incident ray is traveling. Now, if we draw a line at 90-degree angle from the point A, it is called a normal. So, by the definition we can say that normal is the perpendicular drawn to the surface at the point of incidence. Now, the normal is making two angles with the incident ray and reflected ray. The angle produced with the incident ray is called angle of incidence. Therefore, the angle of incidence is the angle which the incident ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence. Now, the angle produced by the normal with the reflected ray is called angle of reflection. So, by the definition we can say it is the angle which the reflected ray makes with the normal at the point of incidence. These two angles are denoted by I and R respectively. Now, the first law of reflection tells us that the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, which means the angle I is always equal to the angle R. Say for example, if the angle of incidence is 45 degree, therefore the angle of reflection will also be 45 degree. Furthermore, please don't forget to subscribe Learn to Spark and hit the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest. Now, the second law of reflection tells us that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. To comprehend this law properly, let's draw a three-dimensional diagram of the previous one on the left. Here, A is the point of incidence. Let's consider that the mirror is lying on the x-plane, the normal is lying on y-plane, and the rays are lying on the z-plane. But as the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal intersecting at the point A, so the x, y, and z planes are also intersecting at the point A. So wherever A lies, three of those lines should lie there. We can also say that by the geometry, if A lies on x-plane or y-plane or any of the planes, three of the lines should lie on that plane. Therefore, by the geometry and orientation, it is quite evident that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane, which is our second law of reflection. Hopefully, your concepts are clear now. If you still have doubts, play it once again and make notes in the copy to make it remember forever. Furthermore, to clear concepts related to light, please check out the end screen videos as well.
At last, I have a small solicitation for you. If you find this video helpful or motivating even a little bit, then please subscribe this channel to support us. And share it right now with your friends or loved ones to motivate them as well. You can also leave your valuable comments about the topic of the next video you would like to watch, because our sole objective is to help you. That's it for now. We will be back with a new video every other weekend. Until then, keep learning, keep sparkling. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.